Namaste everyone. Have you heard of Austin's butterfly? A first grader named Austin was asked to draw a butterfly. His first attempt was simple, rough, and far from perfect. But with specific feedback and multiple iterations, his final drawing was so detailed and accurate that it looked almost professional. Similar to Austin's case, real growth in education comes from continuous learning, refining, and improving. Now imagine applying the same approach to educators, where teachers and school leaders don't just attend a workshop once a year, but engage in real, ongoing, iterative learning that transforms their practice. Did you know that over 70% of educators worldwide feel unprepared to teach students for the future? And yet, we expect them to prepare the next generation for jobs that don't even exist yet. This gap is real, and I have seen it firsthand. Through my conversations with educators around the world, one thing is clear. We are not yet equipped for the future of learning. There is no structured support system for teachers or school leaders to truly learn, implement, and grow. That's why we need something different, something global, something impactful. And that's why I welcome you to KCITE, Keystone Center for Innovation and Teacher Education. As schools, we can no longer work in isolation. A once-in-a professional development workshop will not prepare teachers to teach this generation of learners. As education leaders, just being a part of network isn't enough to make you a leader. We need impact, real impact. We need real stories. We need real, impactful execution and evidence-based stories. Stories of what actually works inside classrooms. Not just theories or ideas that sound good on paper. We need to create environments that support and empower teachers, who in turn do the same for their students. It's time to step out of our comfort zones. At KCITE, we are not just talking about learning. We bring with us over a decade of experience in successfully implementing and executing innovative programs inside the classrooms. We have seen what works, what fails, and what truly brings value to both teachers and students. And we are here to share that with you. Whether you are a principal, an education leader, or a teacher, learning isn't just about saying you're a learner. It's about actually learning, implementing, and then sharing that learning with others. Having conversations about how students should learn or how teachers should teach isn't enough. Change happens when we take action, when we learn, plan, and execute inside the classroom. At the end of the day, the real impact happens between a student and a teacher. And that's where KCITE comes in. No matter how small or big your learning experience is, we are here to curate, support, and amplify it. Let's engage in real conversations that lead to real impact. Welcome to KCITE. Namaste.